Over the next few years, the way we live at home will change dramatically. Our societies are aging. Typical household size is shrinking, and what we value is shifting. The best way to adequately respond to these changes is for companies to co-create new technologies and work closely together with users. In fact, many companies are already experimenting with co-creation as a way to build smart home technologies that will be readily embraced by users.
Changing societal needs open up a number of innovation avenues for numerous industries such as the ICT sector, the telecom sector, healthcare, entertainment, but also for energy providers. Most important challenges for such companies are, on the one hand, to uncover these innovation potentials, and on the other hand, to organize a meaningful and effective way of collaborating with citizens.
The Living Innovation Project will help companies to understand how the lives of people are changing and what innovation avenues these changes will bring for different sectors.
Well, there are several trends and needs from a societal point of view, of course, like energy transition, like the aging of society. There is, of course, a lot of technical trends with miniaturization, big data, things like that, artificial intelligence, not to forget. So these very important trends will definitely have a big influence on the development of our future homes and lives.
Living Innovation is a new initiative that unites industry leaders from ICT, healthcare and smart home technology, funded by the European Commission. In Living Innovation, companies including Telefonica, Infineon, Ericsson, Otto Bock, Siemens and Atos will join forces and develop new ways to co-create with and for future users for a better life at home. The Living Innovation project brings together companies that altogether generate over 150 billion euros in annual revenue. They will be the first to experiment with co-creation and the first to involve users in their innovation processes, in both online and face-to-face meetings.
The Living project is a very interesting approach to apply digitalization and user involvement to further develop systematic innovation. In particular, the virtual platform is an interesting opportunity in order to learn in combination with the labs.
We have different methodologies how it's possible to involve the citizens through our well-built innovation process, but we will learn additionally through Living project what is possible and how it is possible to be done on a most effective way.
Above all, Living Innovation will focus on co-creating new technologies that will improve our future life at home. For most companies, involving diverse people in the innovation process remains an untapped source of ideas and opportunities. This means that it is increasingly valuable to know how to engage people from diverse backgrounds in innovation processes. This helps companies create innovations that best serve their users' needs.
Siemens is taking over the role of accessibility in the Living project. That means we like to support those citizens who are older or have a disability.
I think it's important to develop new technologies with the end user because you need to really identify the needs of the end user. Otherwise, you develop something which does not meet the needs. Otherwise, you develop something maybe which is not as high quality as you could deliver. If you involve them early from the start and they can give feedback, they can bring it to another level of development.
Only by opening their innovation development and by engaging users early in the development can companies truly understand the needs of their users. Early engagement also increases users' trust in new technologies. More and more companies see the benefits of a responsible approach to research and innovation. It also explains why this approach is promoted by the European Commission.
Our eye is inside Telefonica, and We are looking for new ways of connecting with the citizens in order to create new services.
What is relevant is that we need them to trust what we give them as technologies. It will improve their trust in it and their adoption. Also having co-creation with them, we may understand what can be disturbing for them. For example, understand that they want to have some control over the data. They don't want companies to access or use the data in a wrong way. So this is why RRI is so important.
First of all, gaining user trust and the ability to actually co-create with the user directly and respond to the emerging societal needs that we see today are some of the key intangible assets that any company can invest in.
With RRI, companies can benefit from making their businesses more competitive by aligning their investments in innovation with social needs. Because RRI is not only about additional regulation. RRI is about making companies more profitable and more socially responsible.
Living Innovation gives a unique chance to hundreds of innovative companies across Europe. Get involved in our virtual community platform, engage directly with users, and uncover new avenues for new products and services that respond to emerging user needs.
The aim of the Living Innovation Project is to empower companies to tap into their innovation potential that user engagement brings and to help create new technologies that are developed not only with people, but for people.
Living Innovation invites you to join this flagship initiative funded by the European Commission. Start co-creating with and for your future user today. Visit the initiative's website. Take your innovation to the next level.